Very good morning, students. Today, in your online class, I am going to take some of the new words which will strong your vocabulary. On last turn, if you remember, I had described some of the words, new words, which will help you in your vocab, and it will means increase your vocabulary. So that is very important. As I have been telling you about vocabulary, so there are few words like last turn I have taught you. I had explained 10 11 words. So today I am taking from 12th words. As you can see on the screen, the first word is admonish. So here I have written, just for to make you understand in better way, I have written the same words meaning in Hindi as well in English. Okay. So the meaning of admonish is डांटना, फटकारना, चेतावनी देना. That if you use this word in any sentence, so there is example. The class teacher admonished. So admonished, here we can see this ed has been used with the word. Okay, admonish. Admonish is a word noun, but the same time we can use it as a verb also. So the class teacher admonished the students. So admonish means fatkarna. Okay. Now Assuse means soothe or relieve or to calm. This is a word which we use as a verb in sentences. Okay. So here its meaning is to lessen. Lessen means kam karna. Assuse your fear of exams. Exams के fear को कम करो. He tried to assuage his evil thoughts, bad feelings about something, about someone. Okay. So I just want everyone to write down these words, and write down these words not only in rough copies but in your fair copies, so that on next online turn when I'll ask you about these words which I have explained, and of course I will ask about previous words also which I had explained during online class last time. So I'll be asking about these words. I want everyone to strong their vocabulary because it really works not only in 10th and 12th but after your 12th, when you sit for some competitive exams, you would have seen that some synonyms, antonyms, homophones, some difficult words, there are spellings in many different ways. This vocabulary is checked, okay, of students. So this is very important to strong your vocabulary. Then next word is alleviate. What is the meaning of alleviate? Actually, we know what is means to decrease something. Okay, here it is kam karna. So alleviate your bad mood or alleviate the horror. We should alleviate population problem. So what we need to alleviate, we need to alleviate the population, means population of our country. And if we are means if we are successfully, if we succeed, okay, to alleviate the population of our country, then surely we will grow. Okay, and we will have many new developments, and we can implement certain things only when we alleviate some of the problems, we subside them. Okay. Next word is altruism. Altruism means it is a noun. Against each word, as you will be seeing in bracket, okay, I have mentioned whether the word which I am explaining you is noun or verb, or as an adjective we can use it. Okay, so its meaning is parokarita. So he is imbued with altruism. Okay, oath proth hona. Then next word, with this only there is next word altruist, that is parupkari. Okay, altruist. Then next 16th word, as you can see, is amass. Amass is disperse. Okay, that is antonym. Amass means to gather, and disperse means to be separated or to disperse. So to gather something or to someone, that meaning is amass. Amass evidence. Amass evidence means प्रमाण इकट्ठे करना. Okay, that is given in Hindi also. Troops are amassing on the China border. So जो चाइना बॉर्डर पर जो ट्रूप्स हैं, जो सैनिक है, वो इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं. Acrimonious word is next 17th word here, and today I am going to take only 20 words. Okay, not more than that. Almost we have reached on 17th word. Acrimonious meaning katu or ugra, sharp. Okay, caustic. So what is how we can use this word in a sentence? We can use this word as an adjective in our sentence. He has acrimonious behavior. So what sort of behavior? If a person is very rude, very he has no mercy, so we can say he has acrimonious behavior, okay, towards people and towards everyone. Next word, as you can see, 18th word is anomaly. Anomaly means asangati, animitta. So we see here there is an anomaly in my blood test. Okay, reports means animitta means all the reports are not same. Most of the reports are different from the previous ones. Okay, then we can make adjective with this anomaly. Anomalous, that is anamit or asamanya, we can say. Next, 19th word is aptitude. So aptitude word, you will be aware of this word, that meaning is eligibility, yogyata, ruchi or abhiruchi. Okay, when we want to check the ability of a person, eligibility towards any particular thing, we use the word aptitude. Okay, that is teaching aptitude or something. Now the last word of this class is alimony. Alimony means nirbah, bhatta. This alimony word is used especially when a woman takes a divorce or gets divorced from her husband. So she claim for alimony, means nirbah bhatta. Okay, maintenance. So maintenance money for a divorcee from her husband. Okay, so I want everyone, next words also I have arranged for you all. Okay, but before that, these 20 words I want that using these 20 words you have to make 20 sentences. This is your homework for today, and I want everyone should do it. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.